morning, folks! I'm Dave the Beaver. I'm driving since 2015 around the world with the Solatrike. That's a solar-powered and human leg-powered recumbent trike from Azub in Czech Republic. And I was around the world. I already did 26 countries, 5 continents and 54,000 kilometers. And today I will leave Africa, I will leave Tangier and go back to Europe, to Spain. So I'm now at a port. They charged me for 2 cars, for 1 bike and a trailer, because my ticket was only for the bike and me and not for the trailer. And they charged me for 2 cars. Bye bye Africa, bye bye Morocco. And off we go. Welcome back to Europe, Spain. That's the southernmost point of Europe, but it's closed, you cannot get in. Good morning, folks! So, I am now in Spain! I leave Tarifa in direction Cadiz and Seville and further on to Portugal in some days or weeks or whatever, we will see. Hello folks, good morning. Yesterday I made it to Gonil la Frontera, and first of all I wanted to go 1 village back to Las Palmas or something like that, but the youth hostel or the hostels didn't have any place, or one had a place but then someone with a big van came and pushed it in, so I didn't have any space at all for my trike. Then I had to go further on and to choose this weird hotel. There is no one. It's 100% online, so you don't need any people working there. Only staff for cleaning up. That's the modern way. Next time you also sleep only virtual. I don't know. That's so weird. So today we're going further on. Good morning, folks! So today I was a little bit confused. I got the wrong way and now I'm on the right way in direction Seville. Yesterday we made it to Porto Real, a little bit outside of Cadiz, because Cadiz is somewhere around there, and a little bit too tucked away and too much hassle to go there and back, so I don't have to see everything. Yeah, we'll go on further on down the road. folks! Today we will go to Seville. Yesterday we made it to El Cuervo de Sevilla. Yeah, we will see how this road will be. Some are a little bit outside. We will see. See you on the road. Welcome to Seville. Buenos dias. Good morning, folks. So I am in Sevilla today, and I'm without a trailer, just going around from one bike shop to the other and try to find a new speedometer and some new flags. Good morning, folks! Once again we're going to Sevilla, but this time we're gonna go sightseeing. Yesterday I went to all the bike shops. I didn't find what I was searching for. Yeah, but we will see some sights today. Gracias. Hasta luego. Chao.